I guess you hurt, I guess you know. In time I have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. And it's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me, but you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, just let them as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type of dreams, there could be more. But you were there, you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes, you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? All the magic in your hair. The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here at last. I suppose that you'll be leaving, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me, but you were there. You were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was so lost.